Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle, and we are selling 1979 KZ750B. It's a chassis with a title. We just don't have time to put it together, but it's a nice straight piece with a title. No rust at all on it. The spokes look pretty good. The wheels are good. The fork tubes look good. Meters are good. 20,000 miles on it. Looks like it's got the genuine switch and everything. This would be a great start if you had a bike that needed a good chassis. It'd be hard to build this chassis for the money, but anyway, we're offering it for sale and possible low-cost shipping available, or we may sell some parts off of it if there was something you needed. Very nice shape. Okay, thanks for looking.